We are entering the chamber. Jadon, are you excited?
No. Yes.
Builder.
Why are you making that face? Why you make that face? The builders are talking.
Welcome everyone to Savi's workshop. Sorry we had to rush you in like that. Ever since the first order arrived here at Black Spire Outpost, we've had to be very careful about keeping our secret. It's getting harder all the time. But here inside the workshop, rest assured we are all safe. And this is our fabulous workshop. It looks like a lot of junk, right? But to us, this is everything. Please let me introduce. This is Austin, and this is Dave, and I am Lynn. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We have been across the galaxy. We've been to abandoned planets and forgotten outposts, even the ruins of ancient Sith and Jedi temples. And we have brought back the relics and artifacts and the occasional piece of junk. We brought it all back here for you. You see, this is our history. And by preserving our history, we know we can ensure our future. But as you may have noticed outside, right now, today, we are in troubled times. You've heard the legends of Luke Skywalker, right? And now we have a new Jedi in our midst. Who knows her name? Rey, yes. She is our spark of hope throughout the galaxy. Luke and Rey answered the call. And I believe that you have all heard that call, and that's why you're here. You're here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber has been used by our greatest heroes and our darkest of foes. Building a lightsaber is truly an art form, and it creates a connection between the builder and the Force. Today, you are going to make that very connection. Where does the journey begin? It all begins with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal harnesses and magnifies the power and energy of the Force. The color of your Kyber crystal will determine the color of your blade. There are many colors of Kybers out there in the galaxy. We have gathered 4 for you to choose from today. We're going to start with the blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and today by Rey. Green. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda himself. Violet. It is rare and beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And red, the crystal of power, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress. Today it is held by Kylo Ren. But that's enough of the history lesson. It's now time to begin your story and your journey. Right now, builders, I need you all to close your eyes. Close your eyes, I can see you. Envision in your mind which of these crystals is calling out to you. Listen with your heart, for your crystal becomes the heart of your lightsaber. When you see your crystal clearly in your mind, open your eyes and select your Kyber crystal.
You see your color?
After you've received your crystal, place it on the green tray.
Go ahead and take it.
Please.
Great choice.
I thought mostly in my mind before the green one.
Okay, next is the hilt. We're going to bring out the trays for the path that you have selected. There's your pin. Okay. The hilt is the center of control for the lightsaber, and it also protects your hands from being vaporized.
Very good.
We'll go over these pieces with you before we begin, and we will be standing by to help you in any way that we can. So let's take a look at these components first, shall we? In that long compartment, that's your chassis. That's where your kyber crystal lives. Next to it are 4 grips. You're going to use 2 of those. You'll use one of the emitters to go on top, one of the pommels to go on the bottom, and one matched set of activation plates that go right in the middle. So I think we're ready. Are we ready, builders? Yeah. Are we ready, builders?
Tell Daddy which one.
Yeah. All right, let's build. So let's start out by holding our chassis like this. We're going to hold it up. Put those windows up. Take your kyber crystal, and it goes right inside the center, vertically. Just like this. It'll sing to you. You'll see it light up. And you'll be able to turn it.
Coming alive, it's coming alive. She's gonna help me. Let her help you.
See if we can do it like
This part's kind of tricky.
Thank you.
push the tip of your kyber crystal against the edge of my finger, then push
I've
the
been
bottom
doing
of it
this for a
down.
long, long time. Up its right there.
You want it to be right in the center.
There we are. Look at that. Now it's coming to life.
Let me see it.
The next step after that is to choose your activation plates.
Okay, pick which plate do you want.
Now, this is real important. See inside there's a red and a blue square. See them in there? There's a red and a blue square on the side of your chassis. So match up. Blue goes over blue and red goes over red. Okay? Get this snap right
Which
on.
one do you want?
So you can go with either one of those sets.
Which one did you like?
Match up
Which
the red
activation?
with the blue. There you go.
Okay, so
Here's
match
that
the blue.
activation switch.
What is that one? Red? Okay, put red.
Excellent. That's what we want to hear. You're
No,
ready
it's
to
on
go
this
ahead and
side.
choose
Red goes this
choosing your
side.
grips.
So go ahead and put
On the
this
grips,
way.
there's a
Red with
wide
red
red
and
like
snap it
this.
in.
It goes in first
Now we're
towards the
going to move on to
center.
our grips.
Snap it in.
Row 22.
Okay, and grab the other one. Put that perfect. Is the blue? Is it blue? Nope, flip it. There you go. Now snap it. There you go. Perfect.
Okay, go ahead and try the activation
Turn
switch.
it.
Make
Turn the
sure
switch
it's
on.
on the other side. There you go.
Push it up.
Did
Okay.
it make noise? That's what it's supposed to do. Okay, now you can start choosing your
Okay,
grips.
now which one do you want for the bottom?
And the instruction for this, you see how there's a thick band on one end? That has to go towards the middle. Okay, so put it in with that wide part first. That's exactly right.
Now turn it. Okay. Now the other one? Which one did you want?
This
No,
one?
this one. One of these. You can still pick another one. Which one do you want for the top? Oh, that one? That's the one you want? Okay, turn it the other way. Other way. Turn this the other way. This one.
Now you can go ahead and select
Put it in that one. There you go. Tighten it to the right. This way. There you go.
Very
Perfect.
good.
Okay. That's good.
Oh,
Well, that's it. That's it. That's right.
Not too tight,
Not too tight.
just
Okay.
until it stops.
Okay.
Excellent. Now your next job is you're going to pick one of these two to go on top, and one of these
Which
goes on the
top do you
bottom.
like? This one or this one? Look at it. That one or this one? Tough choice. You like this one? Which one? No,
yeah, that one.
this one? Okay, so we'll put it on top. Now go ahead and turn it. Okay, not too tight, okay? Just turn it when you can't move anymore, just stop, okay? And one more. Good job. Now we pick your bottom. There we go.
Wait, I have these 2 choices?
No, there's only one bottom. Okay?
Easiest way to get down to do that is
Hold on, let's see.
this,
Okay.
and then just kind of let gravity
Hold on.
guide it
Let me make
that way.
Hold this. Hold it. And I'm going to turn it for you, okay? Hold on.
That should tighten up.
Okay, hold on. This tight's automatically.
This is amazing.
Chooses the Rancor tooth.
Yes.
Very good. That makes me feel good. You know why? Because I'm the one that has to go and get those. I have to pull them out of their mouth with my hands.
Yeah.
Ooh, sounds very.
Let me go ahead and check that out for you,
Check
okay?
your blade.
Wow, this is beautiful. Let's see. This is wood from a brylark tree. Got my Rancor tooth there.
Just like that. You leave your hilt right there.
And it makes a great sound. You did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Now, in a moment, we're going to stabilize it, okay? And then we're going to activate. When we say activate, you're going to push this button just like that, okay? All right.
I've always wanted to be. Why, this is the best.
Is this awesome?
Yep.
Are you excited? Ooh, yours is beautiful. Another ancient one? That's like mine. I built one like that too.
Who's Shira?
You like it, Jadon? Audrey says she likes the Rancor too, Jadon. So she wants a purple one.
Oh, that's sad. She has to pull them out.
Did you build this all by yourself? That is so cool. Now what color's inside?
You have to wait on me.
Purple? Is that your favorite color? That's my favorite. That's so are you a Jedi in training?
I don't want.
Are you going to be a Jedi one day?
Let's hope
Are you going to be on the light side or the dark side? The light side? That's good. That's good. We need more of those. So now when you see Kylo Ren out there, you don't want to show him this. He's got a big one. His lightsaber, have you seen it? It comes out the side. That was like, we don't build those here. That's a broken. His kyber crystal's broken inside, so it comes out. Right? She fights with the light side, so she's good. Now, did you build this all by yourself? Yes. So now you're a young Padawan. Are you in Jedi training? Yes. Yes. Are you training to be a Jedi? Or a Sith? Are you on the light side? Or are you on the dark side? On the light side. What color's inside here? Blue. Oh, okay. Yes. Now, is this your first time on our planet? Yes. What have you done on our planet? Did you try our bantha milk?
Yes.
The blue milk? Or the green milk?
So is this your first time visiting
I
us too?
had the.
Yes. Did you like it? The little orbs? Yeah. Did you like
Go ahead and
this?
try the blue milk and everything?
Good.
Oh, you did? Which one did you
I
like?
like Galaxy's Edge better than anything in this tiny Disneyland.
Well, for me, I like the blue.
All right.
Wait, the
These
best
are
part.
great looking hilts, everyone, but this is the most dangerous part of this process. I need you all to stand back. Stand all the way back. The gatherers are going to place your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This is very dangerous and very sensitive work. It takes us many years to get this just right. There, we have not had a single accident all day. Yes.
To date.
Because accidents mean holes in the ceiling. We have enough of those. All right. Now, while these are stabilizing, I'm going to give you a quick reminder to what's going on.
Many parts silver now join the yes, lightsaber begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Oh, builders. The Force must be very strong in here right now. And it is time to forge the bond. In a moment, I'll ask you to step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And then on my mark, all together we will activate. Are we ready? Please step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And wait. Activate. Raise your lightsaber. Let
Jadon.
the Jedi and Sith that came before you. You too have the power to change the
He likes
galaxy.
it too, Dad.
Remember, all it takes is a spark. Read them down. Congratulations, builders. Please deactivate your sabers.
How do you feel?
Good.
Like you when it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey both begins. May the force be with you.
Light it up again, Jadon.
Thank you, Master Yoda.
Jadon.
And thank you, builders, for joining us here today. The lightsaber you have built is as unique and extraordinary as you are. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new saber, we're pleased to offer you a saber sheath as you exit. Our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to go out there and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe someday soon I'll be telling your story. As we say here at Black Spire Outpost, till the spire.
Till the spire!